Nothing fancy, pure and simple videos.
Hey everyone, this is JR with JP Take 3. Nothing fancy, pure and simple videos. Anyway, I wanted to share with you guys a skin guard for the Surface Duo 2, and it's by Sopiguard. I've been using a lot of their protection for my phones and then some of the tablets and all that. So again, this is the Surface Duo 2, the one I showed you guys on the video. Gonna do detail on this soon, but for now, just want to put it in a skin guard. So again, Sophie guard. This is what it comes in. Again, apologize for the noise, especially the chicken. Comes with a nice cleaning cloth. I gotta say, the Surface Duo 2 is very nice. I mean, the placement of the USB-C is in the center this time, and your SIM card tray is there, but I'm gonna do more detail on it. All right, you guys seen the other videos on the Sophie Art on the Surface Duo 1. This should be about the same. I went with the white leather look. I said their stuff is strong, that's for sure. Try it this way. Trying to get the thing so it cover the logo. Let's see how well the alignment is. Okay. So I started from the end here. I align it to the corner from here to here. So far, looks good. Magnet work. Okay. Slim pen too. Work. Again, you won't charge it unless you get the case. I do have the case. I'm gonna put it on for now. I ordered a bumper. All right. Put on the back. Guess they have one for the light. I mean the camera, which is nice. They really came a long way. This company, you know. Again, try start from here. See how well everything aligned. Okay. Again, if you start from here, if their cut is perfect, it's gonna go almost as perfect as can go. As you guys can see, I started from here, then work my way down. It's much easier that way. Again, like I said, this company really came a long way. I started off with their foam protection. I usually don't put camera protection for this one here. I'm gonna have to do it. Yeah, see, you don't wanna cover the lens. But add a nice touch to it. Again, I went with the white leather. Use the on the other one I had the camouflage, and from Sopiguard, and it's hold up really well. As you guys can see, really nice. Pen works well and all that. And no, I showed you guys this that goes on for the charging thing, but the skin is from Sopiguard. Got it from Amazon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the bumper because so far this act has a nice protection. No problem with the Sopiguard. I showed you guys the unboxing on this one here. No, not much protection on this bumper guard that Microsoft does, but you can tell when you put it on. There's a cut right here, like a nip, so it aligns it. So far the Sopiguard skin is okay with that. Okay, so there you have it. Got the skin on. Not a problem if you do it from here. Work your way up, and that should be easy to go on. Again, this is skin is from Sopiguard. Um, Always give you a nice cover. I mean, cleaner. So anyway, that's a quick install. Again, looks nice with the camera cutout. Nice. I feel it really nice. I like the look on it. This one here you can't see it because I have the charging cover. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please, if you enjoy my video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe so I can continue making videos for everyone. That will help me a lot. And hit the bell so you'll be notified like this that JR just uploaded a new video. Again, this was the installation of the Sopiguard skin with the camera cutout protection from Sopiguard. So again, thank you everyone. You all be safe, and aloha till the next video.